All right, everyone, welcome back. So I'm gonna show you how to download VS Code in this video. If you have not downloaded Python or Anaconda distribution, then please watch my previous videos where I have explained step by step how to download Python and Anaconda distribution. And here I'm gonna show you how to download VS Code. So the main learning objective for this particular video are to understand what is VS Code and how to download it, and also how we can actually write simple Python program in VS Code. I'm going to show you that as well. So let's talk about what is VS Code. VS Code, also known as Visual Studio Code, and it is free and open source software, and this is used to type your Python program. To download, one thing you can do is just go to Google and then look for VS Code, and you can just follow the process for the downloading. It should be a simpler process. Otherwise, you can go directly to the code.visualstudio.com, where you can get to this page, code editing redefined, and then download it from here. And I'm going to show you how you can download in Mac as well, and you can follow the same process for Windows machine too. So now let's download VS Code. Okay, for that, let me go to Google and type VS Code. It will take me to this page. I'm just going to click on Visual Studio Code, code editing redefined. All right, like I showed you earlier, it took me to this page. Now I can just download Mac Universal. This is the one. It popped up, and it should be the similar for you as well. So I'm just going to click on this. Think it just started downloading process. You actually can download directly from here too. So let's give it a minute or two. Should be quick. And once this is done, we can also check it from downloads here. So this is downloading here. All right, this is completed. Now to install it, I'm just gonna double click on this. Again, it's the same process for Windows as well. Once I clicked it, I got this one, Visual Studio Code 2. Now what I can do is I can double click on this one as well. And Visual Studio Code 2 is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure to open it, right? So you can just open it. You should get something like this as well. The other way you can actually get to this point is, let's close this one. Once the download is completed, now you should be able to find it here. So as you can see, Visual Studio Code, you can click on this one. Now we should be able to create some file. All right, I'm just gonna make it a little bit smaller. If you want to create a new file, you can go to new file here and click on this. It will ask you what do you want to do, Python file or text file. So we can just do Python file. Click on that. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. All right, so this is Python file, as you can see from here as well, because we just clicked on the Python file. Now you can type your code directly here, like print 2 plus 2 and shift enter. It should be, yeah, see, you can get it like the output here. This is the terminal, and this is where you get the output from your code. There are some other things as well, like if you want to look at the extensions, if you don't have it, you can select Python from here. Get this extension, Python IntelliSense, and I already installed it, so I don't need to install it. But if you have not installed it before, then you can click on install, then it will be installed in your VS Code. Benefit of that is once you type, for example, print, then it will show you like what comes next, right? It's basically guide you through the code. Yeah, that's about it. That's the main thing for the VS Code. All right, hopefully you have known a little bit about the VS Code and how to run Python program within the VS Code. If you have not downloaded Python or Anaconda distribution, watch my previous videos. And if you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to ask me. Send me an email. I would love to help you out for installation as well. All right, thank you so much for staying with me till now, and I'll see you in the next video.